Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can download Call of Duty in HUAWEI. So, if we'll look for the Call of Duty game at the app gallery, we'll be able to find its APK file from the external sources or third party. So from here, just once found, install it, give it some time to be downloaded and installed since it is a relatively heavy application, so we'll just wait. So once the Call of Duty game was successfully downloaded, you will need to allow App Gallery to install external apps or install apps from third-party sources or whatever, so give it that permission, install the game. And that will be it. Now you can open it, download all remaining files that it has to install or download, log into your Call of Duty account and start playing it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.